Hey guys, things just turned for the worst there on isitha the enemy. uSolomzi just shot uChuma, and now Lana is wondering ukuthi is uChuma really dead or he's going to survive this one even, because we all know uChuma uphunyuka bemphethe kaningi bemzama but akakaze washona. And Black Brain Pictures have been announced ukuthi uyahamba on the show, so we're all wondering, what is he dead? Is he gonna survive this one? Asaz, and I want us to talk about that and more here on this video. But before starting with the video, I would like to request you guys to like it, and if you subscribe to this channel, please do press the subscribe button. You can also show support by scoring down it so that you can watch my previous videos, and I hope that you guys are going to enjoy watching this video. So let's get back to it. Now, just when I thought these guys are going to sort this whole thing out, maybe bahamba noMapoloba face to face. uMapoloba uyaqhamuka laphana uSolomzi panic. uSolomzi is dumb, I don't understand. So what happened is that uMapoloba turned to Solomzi against uChuma and uChuma against Solomzi. So the two brothers were now hunting each other, wanting to kill each other because they both thought ukuthi ingane zabo were both in danger. And that uMapoloba unengane zabo, not knowing ukuthi uMapoloba is just playing mind games. Nabo ke ngoba bayezilima, they went there, tried to kill each other. In fact, they did not try because this thing happened. Solomzi ended up shooting uChuma, which is what is happening right now. Now, let's be stressed. First, not knowing what uChuma is going to die or what is going to happen, but knowing uChuma and Black Brain Pictures, I don't think that uChuma is going to die. I think bezoshona bezophela vele yonke la episode liyani sevele seshonile. But for the fact that Solomzi mentioned ukuthi uzomhambisa esibhedlela, it means ukuthi he might survive even this one. I don't know, but for me, I think he survived, and I think uzobuya, and then I don't know, he's going to head to Solomzi after that. Angazi, which is what I hate the most. Angazi what is going to happen next. So guys, comment there in the comment section. Now, what did you think about this particular scene uSolomzi shooting uChuma on the recent episode of isitha the enemy? And if you enjoyed content here on this video, please do like the video, subscribe to the channel if you're subscribed, and share the video on your Facebook, your Twitter, Instagram, even on TikTok. And all of that being said, this is the end. So thank you so much for watching. Let's engage again on the next video.